Hello, thrill seekers and tech lovers. Are you ready to soar into the future? Today, we're taking you on an exhilarating journey into the world of cutting-edge technology. We're not just talking about any tech, but the top 5 mini drones that are making waves in 2023. These aren't your everyday toys, but high-tech marvels that are revolutionizing the way we capture and experience the world. So fasten your seatbelts as we're about to take off into the skies of innovation and discovery. I've also included the links to the products in the description box below. Do check it out. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First up, we have the DJI Mini 3 Pro. This mini drone is as powerful and portable as it is regulation-friendly. It comes with a 1x1.3-inch sensor and top-tier capabilities and weighs under 250 grams. Its improved design and upgraded features such as obstacle sensing make it safer and easier to fly. It covers a distance of up to 12 kilometers, supports 4K HDR video and 48MP RAW photos, and offers an extended flight time of up to 34 minutes. However, its GPS lock-on takes some time, and it omits the AirSense a DSB system, which might be a downside for some. Next, we have the Iflight Bumblebee HEV3. This drone comes with the amazing CAD Polar Digital HE system, which allows you to fly through the sky like no other mini drone. It has a SIN hoop that doesn't have high-pitched noise that annoys people. The drone is great for beginners as it's not easy to break and has upgraded EVA protectors. However, it is a bit on the expensive side and it creates too much noise, which might be a downside for some. The Parrot NFI is up next. This drone incorporates a 4G radio module, in addition to the Wi-Fi radio, allowing it to transmit a video stream in 1080p with a 300 milliseconds latency anywhere in the world. Its sensor supports a high megapixels count for finely detailed aerial images. It also has high wind resistance and unique lens and camera features. However, it is difficult to fly and its autonomous features require an extra purchase, which might be a downside for some. For professional video and cinema, we recommend the Autel EVOQ Pro. This drone is popular for its modular camera system, offering 3 models that cover a range of features that meet different users' needs from consumers to professionals. It has an adjustable aperture, 20MP stills in RAW DNG or JPG, and obstacle avoidance sensors. However, the color video profile isn't configurable, and it doesn't support autonomous navigation around obstructions, which might be a downside for some. Last but not least, the DJI Avada is compact and lightweight, nimble in tight spaces. Every aspect of its design was made for you to be bold. The built-in propeller guard means that if Avada comes in contact with an object, it can bounce back, stay in the air, and can keep on flying. It has a 1x1.7-inch sensor, supports 4K at 60x video, and has a flight time of up to 18 minutes. However, it is slow to react to shifts in white balance and less versatile than a standard camera drone, which might be a downside for some. And there you have it, the top 5 mini drones of 2023. Each of these drones offers unique features and capabilities, making them suitable for different needs and budgets. So whether you're a beginner or a pro, there's a drone out there for you. Until next time, keep flying high.